Hello everyone, and welcome back to this new lecture. In this session, the focus will be on creating pivot tables and summarizing data. If pivot tables are not familiar, Copilot will assist in understanding them. By asking Copilot, it can explain what pivot tables are. Pivot tables are powerful tools in Excel used to summarize, analyze, and present data from a larger dataset. They allow dynamic grouping, filtering, and aggregation of data, making it easier to identify trends and patterns. For example, a pivot table can calculate total revenue by region or average customer satisfaction by product. This is exactly what will be demonstrated in the next steps. As you can see, the dataset is already available and visible on the Excel sheet. The goal now is to create a pivot table that displays total revenue by region. As mentioned earlier, pivot tables can be used to calculate total revenue by region. By using Copilot, the prompt can be entered to create a total revenue pivot table. This will generate a pivot table that clearly shows total revenue organized by region. The pivot table is added to a new sheet, and the total revenue by region is displayed. The sum of revenue for each region is clearly shown, along with the grand total. Next, a pivot table is created to show the average customer satisfaction by product. This summary is also added to a new sheet, revealing that Product A has an average satisfaction of 3.3, Product B averages 2.81, Product C averages 2.93, which is similar to Product D. The next steps will build on this analysis. The next step is to create another pivot table to display total units sold and revenue for each product. Returning to Sheet 1, the prompt is added to generate this pivot table. Once added to a new sheet, the pivot table clearly shows the total units sold and revenue for each product. For example, the total units sold include 3,010 units, with specific figures for Product A and Product B. The table above provides additional details for reference. By reviewing the pivot table, it is easy to identify which product performed best in terms of sales and revenue. A quick look shows that Product D outperforms the others in both metrics. This insight can guide business decisions, such as producing more of Product D or adjusting strategy based on the summary metrics provided by the pivot table. Moving on, the next task is to create another pivot table that displays average customer satisfaction. Although Product D has the highest sales and units sold, Product A shows a higher customer satisfaction rating. When analyzing both sales performance and customer satisfaction, the decision can be guided by the results generated by Copilot. The comparison between Product A and Product D provides insights that inform strategic choices. Essentially, whenever pivot tables are created, it is important to consider questions such as what insights are gained from the table and how Copilot has simplified the process. Using Copilot with a simple prompt greatly reduces the time compared to generating these pivot tables manually. Beyond pivot tables, other types of summaries and analyses can also be created efficiently. I hope this lecture was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next session.